Welcome back to operating system tutorial. Today we're going to discuss the Banger's algorithm, part number 1. So before now, what is Banger's algorithm? Banger's algorithm is nothing but it's a family algorithm where helpful to allocate the resources and avoid the deadlock. That means you can say it always support the deadlock prevention also. As of you know the meaning of deadlock, here you can say when a process requests a resource, the system always find whether the allocation of resource will lead to safe state or not. So if lead to safe state, we can allocate resource. If not in safe state, it won't allocate the resource by default. That is the basic of Banker's algorithm. So Banker's algorithm, why the name comes because it follows the banking concept only. And the algorithm always works based on the following principle or matrices. That is called maximum, another one called allocated, another called available. First one the maximum. So maximum in the sense the maximum number of resources each process might need here. How many number of resources need for complete the task? Unallocated, the number of resources currently allocated to each process. How many number of resources are allocated to the each process and how it can proceed like that. And available, number of free resources are currently available. Let's say example, if the number of resources available 5 and the need is 4, it's okay. That means it avoids the deadlock by default. And steps of Banker's algorithm. So first step says about check if the request is within the maximum need. That means make sure the process is not asking more resources than it originally declared it may need. So for example, check if the resource within the maximum. Suppose already the maximum is 5 and the request to 5 minutes to 3 is available like that. The meaning is check if resources are available. That means if see if enough resources are currently available. If not, the process must wait. Suppose the need is available is 5 and the resources asking 6. That means 6 minus 5 1. So it had to wait for some time. That's the meaning. Then pretend to allocate resources temporarily. That means it can temporarily assign the requested resources for the process and update the matrices very easily. That is possible with the help of the formula called available for the allocated. Here available formula is available minus request, and allocated we can deduct and determine with the help of the formula allocated plus request. And need is need minus request, and check for the safe state. So how we can know whether it's safe or not? So for that we can run the safety algorithm to check all the process still finish or not, and the system may remain safe. The allocation is permanent. And some of the data structures for Banker's algorithm, one is called followed for Banker's algorithm called available, another called maximum, another allocation, another is need. So part 1 audio. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Part 2 you can see the example. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.